Nike continues to refresh its lineup by reworking familiar ideas through modern performance, and that mindset is clear with the Nike Air Max Ishod Hemp. This release brings a grounded, earth-tone look that fits naturally within Nike SB's current direction while still feeling new. The upper arrives in a two-tone palette inspired by natural materials, complemented by soft pink details that add contrast without overpowering the design. While Nike has not shared official inspiration, longtime sneaker fans may notice echoes of past lifestyle and performance silhouettes. Ishod Wair's signature line has consistently leaned into classic color stories, seen previously in popular releases like Wheat and Black Grape. That consistency helps give this pair a timeless feel. From a performance standpoint, the shoe stays true to the Ishod formula. Air Max cushioning provides impact protection, while the durable build supports everyday skating and casual wear. The Nike Air Max Ishod Hemp is available now on Nike.com, priced at $115 US.